Hello. 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 Yeah, I thought there is no sound. So I am using. Yeah. Let me change the color. If I change the color. Yeah, I thought there is no sound. So I am using. Reflections are there. Good morning. My voice is clear. I thought my voice is not coming, so that's why I stopped it. So there are reflections on my black color. Let me use the same white color. Okay. So now these two factors are suitable. So now x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay. Avinash Rai, good morning. Then always take group the first two terms and last two terms, always. Okay. So in the first two terms, x you can take common. In the last two terms, you can take x common, x minus 5 is equal to 0. So now in both the terms, now 4 terms, these 2 terms will become 1 term and these 2 terms will become 1 term. Factorization means they should have into only. Okay, now here x minus 5 is one more common factor in both the things. X plus 2 is equal to 1 more. So you will get x minus 5 common only when this is correct. That is why very important, initially you should split the term properly. So now we got x minus 5 is equal to 2. So then x minus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, roots of the equation are 5 and 2, minus 2. So roots are the solutions of equation. Yeah, Avinash, you are going to school. What shall I do? You tell me your possible time. I'll try to take that class in that time. So this is one of the easiest question. Now let me go to a difficult question. Okay, in exercise 4.2, a difficult question is there, that we will do it. Okay, so let me go to another page. So third problem, third bit is somewhat squares are there. Everybody will be very difficult. Square root of 2x square plus 7x plus 5 into root 2 is equal to 0. This is the question. Okay. Now roots are there. No need to get worried. Same procedure you have to apply. Same procedure. X square coefficient is root 2 into constant is 5 root 2, which is equal to 10. Okay, 10. So now by adding those factors, adding or subtracting those factors, you should get the middle terms coefficient. Good morning, Avinash. 6 o'clock I think it's not possible for me. 7 o'clock I am always free. I'll try to take one more class at 7 o'clock. Okay. So now this is not possible. 2 into 5 is equal to 10, because 10 we have to take 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Now we got Okay. So now root 2 x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. I have split the middle term. Very good. Very good. I passed 10th class. So now first two terms and last two terms you have to group them, and in the first two terms there is no common, but let me root 2x square, this 2 I will write root 2 whole square and x. Little modification I did it. In this directly I can take 5 common, x plus root 2 is equal to 0. First two group, and in the first group I could not take the common, I made it possible. So in this root 2 x is the common you can take, x plus root 2, and this is same 5 plus x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So x plus root 2, x plus root 2, x plus root 2 into root 2 x plus 5 is equal to 0 factors. So this is one of the important question. Roots are there, don't get worry. Same procedure, okay? Same procedure you have to apply. Now x plus root 2 is equal to 0 and root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus root 2 and x is equal to, therefore the roots are minus root 2 and minus 5 upon root 2. Okay. So one of the important concept, most of the students will feel difficult for this question, right? So let me go to, because in this only 5 problems are given, 2 problems are I did it. Let me take from R.D. Sharma. It is not R.D. Sharma, it is a textbook of maths, Monica Kapoor, Ratna Sagar. It is equal to R.D. Sharma. Okay. So now let me take few questions. Solve. I will take one question. This is, I will write example 1. Solve using factorization. 16x square minus 49 is equal to 0. This is a simple question. In this you cannot apply middle term. There is no middle term, x term is not there. So then what should we do? When there is no x term, you should use another way, formula method. So now you can write, check it whether you can write in this form or not. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So now, yes, you can write 16x square, you can write 4x minus whole square, and 49 you can write 7 whole square. I have written in the form of a square minus b square. Then you can easily get the factors. So 4x plus 7 into 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. So 4x plus 7 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 7 by 4 and x is equal to 7 by 4. So these are the solutions of this. So whenever there are 2 terms, try to bring them into the a square minus b square formula. So this is one question which is not there in the this one. Now let me take one more question having 2 terms. Okay, example 2. X square minus 7 is equal to 0. Solve. Same, we have to write this in the form of a square minus b square. So a square is already I have written, you can write it x square, but this 7 we have to write root 7 whole square. Don't think that 7 is not perfect square. It is not possible to write in the form of a square. So, but you can write root 7 whole square. Now, a square minus b square formula, you can write this is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So, x plus root 7 into x minus root 7 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to minus root 7 and x is equal to plus root 7. This is one more just different type of question. So, now let me go to another variety, one more model. Let me, okay. Now, example 3, 4x minus 3 upon x is equal to 11. Okay, this is another question. Now, it is not in the standard form. You have to bring it to the standard form and then try to factorize it. So, take LCM x, 4x square minus 3 is equal to 11. Cross multiply it. So, 4x square minus 3 is equal to 11x. Bring 11x here. So, 4x square minus 11x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, it is in the standard form. So, now our procedure is same. You take x square coefficient 4 and you take constant minus 3 minus 12. So, now you have to get minus 11. 4 minus 3 is 1, not possible. So, 1 into 12, 1 into minus 12 is equal to minus 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. So, here minus 12, 1 should be there. So, here 4x square minus 12x plus 1x minus 3 is equal to 0. First 2, last 2, you take 4x common, x minus 3. Here you take nothing is there common, 1 is the common. So, x minus 3 into 4x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3 and minus 1 upon 4. This is another model. Okay. When the equation is not in the standard form, bring it to the standard form and then do the factorization and get the value. Okay. So, let me take another question. In the quadratic, in the main examination, you may be getting, these are all basic level questions. Let me take a little bigger problem. Example 4. Okay. So, 1 upon x minus 3 minus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. X is not equal to x is not equal to 3 and x is not equal to minus 5. Okay. This is the question. Fractions are there. Same concept in the previous question also, not in the standard form. Even this also not in the standard form. Whether it is fraction, whatever, you have to, your main target is to bring everything into the standard form. So, now fractions are there. I will give you a common method for every fraction problem. So, you take LCM of denominators, LCM of denominators, DRS, denominators, x minus 3, x plus 5, 6. All 6 are different. So, x minus 3 into x plus 5 into 6, that is the LCM. Multiply each term with the LCM. Multiply each and every term with LCM. Okay, I am not writing here. So, then what happens? X minus 3 into x plus 5 into here I will write 6 into 1 by x minus 3. First term multiplication is over. Second term multiplication, 6 into x minus 3 into x plus 5 into 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to, again right side also, 6 into x minus 3 into x plus 5 into 1 upon 6. If you do like that, all the denominators will get cancelled. X minus 3 will get cancelled. X plus 5 will get cancelled. 6 will get cancelled. All the denominators will get cancelled. So then what happened here? What is left here? 6 into x plus 5. Here what is left? 6 into x minus 3 is equal to, there what is left? X minus 3 into x plus 5. Denominators gone. Now only the brackets are there. Open the brackets also. So then what happened? 6x plus 30 minus 6x plus 18. You have to be very careful with the sign. And here I will write directly answer, x square minus 3 plus 5 is plus 2x minus 15. So done. Then bring all the like terms together on the left hand side. So then what happened? X square minus x square, because x square is only on the right hand side. I am bringing x square to the left hand side. So it will become minus x square. And after that, all x terms you should write. Left hand side there are 2, 6x will get cancelled, gone. Okay. So then this plus 2x will become, minus 2x. So x terms came, and then constant should come, 18. This minus 15, it comes this side, plus 15 is equal to 0. So then what happens? Minus x square minus 2x, this is equal to 33 is equal to 0. Don't get afraid of minus x square. Multiply every term with minus. So then what happened? X square plus 2x minus 33 is equal to 0. Now we got a quadratic equation in the same standard form. You can split the middle term and do it. So 3 into 11 is equal to 33. 11 minus 3 is not only two factors are there, 3 into 11. Now there is no possible, so 1 into 33 is also there. So only 2 pairs of factors are there. If you subtract, you are not getting 2. So then somewhere there is a mistake. Okay, you have to identify, because if there is no mistake, it's not possible to split the middle term. You have to use another method. Let me check my previous thing. X's cancel. So 18, I forgot this minus 30. So I will write here plus 30. So that is the mistake. If I add this one, it will become 63. So it will become 63. I got my mistake. So then, so this is gone. Again I will write 1 into minus 63 is equal to minus 63. 7 into minus 9 is equal to minus 63. So 9 minus 7, 2. So I can write directly x plus 9 into x plus x minus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 9 and plus 7. So procedure is same. You have to, if the given question is not in the standard form, you have to bring it to the standard form and then do the factorization. Okay. So like this, so many questions are there. Some root problems are also there. So I am not going to go into the deep. tomorrow I am going to teach you word problems. Thank you.